Hey guys, you all have waited for this video and I'm happy to surprise. Oh, hi Alex. What? Your beard. It looks worse in real life. I know, I lost my razor. Anyways, hello WhySoWalrus, or should I say WhySoSnake? Why are you mad at me? What happened? Oh, I should ask you that. What's about those videos? The truth about Alex Turner, roasting Alex Turner. What the hell? I know no one watches your videos, but that's just offensive. Alex, it was just a joke. I didn't mean it. Oh, you didn't mean it. I know. Just using my name for the clickbaits. You are insane. Let me finish the video. Oh no, I won't let you finish this video. Now it's my turn to make fun of you. What? Is it working? Hello, internet. What do you mean I can't use that? Who the hell is that Howell? My name is Alex Turner, and today we're going to roast the owner of this channel. So, this is WhySoWalrus. What can I say about her? Listen here, WhySoWalrus. Your humor is as flat as your chest. You only got a little bit of attention just because you are using my name in the titles. People subscribe to you because they just feel sorry. You only get views because people misclick. I have only one question for you, WhySoWalrus. Why so talentless? I'm so sorry for that. I have no idea what you just seen, but if you liked it, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And also leave something in comments.